Wayne Brito here with Medallion Pools. We're here at our Frisco Design Center, and this is really where the magic begins. The first step is having you into our office. We do a custom design with you. Once that design is done and everybody feels comfortable, there's plenty of options for you. This is where the fun part begins. Selections, tiles, interiors and stone. There's plenty of things to choose from in here. In addition to, once we get the custom design done, we do offer one of the most comprehensive warranty packages in the industry. We are now offering Jandy equipment with the Pro Edge warranty. Soon to be rolled out will be a warranty up to 5 years. With our lifetime guarantee structure, our hydraulic warranty, as well as all of our other warranties, it is simply the best warranty package that you can purchase for a swimming pool in your backyard. Some of our standard warranty packages is a lifetime warranty on the structure. That is a one-time transferable warranty. Parts and labor on the equipment always starts at a minimum of 3 years parts and labor. That's with us doing the warranty. Finishes could range anywhere from 1 year all the way to a lifetime, depending on what you should choose within your selections and the price point of your given project. A lot of times folks ask us, why should we use Medallion Pools? One of the simplest answers is we do what we say. Our pricing is always based on what the consumer, which is you, which is what you're asking for. We never do a bait and switch product to where we offer a substandard product just to get a lower cost to you. We're going to always give you the best value for what you're asking us with just impeccable warranties. Now, one of our differences at Medallion Pools is simply different in the industry, is that we are having the homeowners come into the office and they do the designing with us right in front of them real time on our 3D CAD process, which eliminates a lot of gray areas and a lot of callbacks and a lot of frustration between us, the designers, and you, the purchaser of the pool. Since you are the person who is getting the pool, it's always best to come into the office and go through this step. One of the things that really comes up is within price point, where the elusiveness of a swimming pool. Most homeowners think that all pool builders build the same product. That's simply not the case. One of the things that I quote people on is your lack of understanding in the swimming pool industry can really cost you more than you can possibly imagine. Let me go ahead and walk you through a step-by-step version of what takes place within a pool build.